Water is flowing through the cylindrical pipe shown in the diagram. The radius of the pipe is 0.2 meter and the water comes halfway up the pipe. Find the cross-sectional area of the water in the pipe. That's the part A. And the part B is saying the water is flowing at a rate of 2520 liters per minute. Find the speed of the water in meter per second and do 3 significant figures. So for the first part of the question, I think all we have to do is we have to find the area of the circle, so if the pipe, the face of the pipe is or the opening of the pipe, and the water is only halfway, so we have to find this area. That is all that is required. We don't have to do anything else. So if that's the case, then it's fairly simple. So the area would be pi r square, and that would be 3.142 multiplied by our radius is 0.2 meters, so 0.2 multiplied by 0.2, and that would be 0.142 and multiply 2 by 0.2, and that gives me 0.1512568. Oh, that's not right. So I made a mistake somewhere. 42. No, that is right. That is right, because what we have to do is then we have to divide by 2. So we have to divide it by 2, and the whole thing we have to divide by 2 again, because that's what it is, the radius and halfway up the pipe, so you have to divide it by 2 again. So if I have to divide it by 2, I would get yes. So that gives me 0.06284. So I'm only using a 9-digit calculator, so you might get more accurate figures if your calculator is scientific. So then A, this is A. Then for part B, what we do is we have to first try and convert this to meter, a meter cube per second. So 2520 liters would mean 2, because 1 liter equals 1000 centimeter cube. So that would mean, one moment, so we'll use that. So 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube, and 1000 centimeter cube we have to convert to meter cube. So then that would mean 1 meter cube equals, no, we'll do it the other way, right? So 1 centimeter cube equals 1 out of 100 times 100 times 100 meter cube. So using that, so this would mean, so this is so we have to do 2520 times 1000, that's centimeter cube, and divide by 100 times 100 times 100, and then what we get is Uh, we're going to do these 1, 2, 3, and then for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm left with 2.52, not liters but meter cube per minute. Now that would be 2.52 divided by 60. 2.52 divided by 60, and that is equal to 0.042 meter cube per second. Now what we do is we have to work out the speed. Now that would be done according to a formula. Now we know that speed would be rate of flow divided by cross-sectional area of the water. So that would mean the speed equals the rate of flow is 0.042 and divided by the area of the water is, that is meter square. Sorry, I didn't put in the unit. So that will be divided by 0.06284, and that gives me 0.66836 and so on. That is in meter per second, and I have to do it in accurate to 3 significant figures. So that will give me 0.668 meter per second, and that's the answer.